Number 1. 1973 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $2,500, Clinton, Massachusetts. The 1973 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 is a classic Ironhead-era machine known for its raw performance, simple mechanics, and unmistakable Harley-Davidson character. Early XLCH models remain popular among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts thanks to their kickstart heritage and strong customization potential. This example is being offered as a project after spending years stored indoors. The seller reports that the engine turns freely and the transmission engages properly, although it will need tires and a battery before returning to the road. For buyers looking for an affordable vintage Harley project, this Sportster could be a rewarding restoration candidate. Number 2. 1979 Yamaha XS1100F, $3,250, Keller, Texas. The 1979 Yamaha XS1100F was one of the most powerful Japanese motorcycles of its era, earning a reputation for strong performance and long-distance capability. Its large four-cylinder engine made it a favorite among riders seeking both speed and reliability. This example has been transformed into a one-of-a-kind custom chopper, featuring a rigid frame, custom bodywork, and a unique shaft-to-chain drive conversion. The seller states that the engine was completely rebuilt and has only about 500 miles since completion. With its distinctive appearance and clean title, this XS1100F offers something very different from a standard vintage motorcycle. Number 3. 1982 BMW R65, $3,400, Falmouth, Maine. The 1982 BMW R65 is part of BMW's respected Airhead family, known for dependable boxer twin performance and timeless styling. Smaller and lighter than many of its larger BMW siblings, the R65 provides an enjoyable riding experience while retaining classic German engineering. This custom cafe racer and scrambler build features numerous upgrades, including a new seat, lighting components, tires, exhaust system, and battery. The seller reports that the motorcycle runs great and is ready to enjoy. For riders seeking a personalized vintage BMW, this R65 presents an interesting alternative to a stock example. Number 4. 1974 Honda CB754, $5,500, Sugar Land, Texas. The 1974 Honda CB754 remains one of the most influential motorcycles ever produced. Its smooth inline-4 engine, excellent reliability, and groundbreaking performance helped establish Honda as a leader in the motorcycle industry during the 1970s. This example shows 24,600 miles and retains its original paint, adding to its vintage appeal. The seller reports that the motorcycle runs smoothly and that its lights and horn function properly. With a clean Texas title and strong presentation, this CB750 appears to be a well-preserved example of a true Japanese classic. Number 5. 1967 BSA A65 Thunderbolt, $10,000, Kingston, Massachusetts. The 1967 BSA A65 Thunderbolt is one of the most recognizable British motorcycles of the 1960s. Powered by a 650cc parallel twin engine, the Thunderbolt combines strong performance with classic styling that continues to attract collectors and enthusiasts today. This example has reportedly undergone a complete restoration with extensive attention to detail throughout the motorcycle. The engine, suspension, brakes, frame, and numerous other components have been rebuilt, restored, or replaced as needed. For buyers seeking a fully refreshed British classic, this Thunderbolt appears to be an impressive example. Number 6. 1982 Suzuki GS650G, $2,500, Stillwater, Oklahoma. The 1982 Suzuki GS650G is a solid middleweight motorcycle that earned a reputation for reliability, smooth performance, and everyday usability. Today, these GS models remain popular platforms for custom builds thanks to their durable engines and classic styling. This example has been transformed into a cafe racer with extensive upgrades throughout the motorcycle. The seller reports updated wiring, LED lighting, a new stator, fresh maintenance items, and a DynoJet-equipped carburetor setup. With its custom paint, unique features, and clean title, this GS650G stands out as a distinctive vintage custom project. Number 7. 1962 Norton 750 Atlas, $7,500, Langhorne, Pennsylvania. The 1962 Norton Atlas is one of the most respected British motorcycles of its era, combining strong twin-cylinder performance with the legendary featherbed frame. Its blend of speed, handling, and classic styling continues to make it a favorite among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. This example is described as a strong-running motorcycle equipped with desirable features including chronometric gauges, Dunstall mufflers, and upgraded braking components. The seller also notes a clean fuel tank, fresh battery, and clear title. For collectors seeking a well-presented British classic, this Norton offers plenty of appeal. Number 8. 1981 Kawasaki KZ550 Ltd, $1,400, Westbrook, Maine. The 1981 Kawasaki KZ550 Ltd represents the practical and dependable motorcycles that helped define the early 1980s. Its smooth four-cylinder engine and comfortable riding position made it a popular choice for riders looking for reliable transportation and enjoyable weekend rides. This example shows 28,600 miles and has recently received a carburetor rebuild along with a full service. The seller reports that it runs well and benefits from newer tires. At just $1,400, it offers an affordable entry point into vintage Japanese motorcycle ownership. Number 9. 1978 Triumph Bonneville T140E, $1,500, Covington, Louisiana. The 1978 Triumph Bonneville T140E carried forward the legendary Bonneville name during the final years of classic British motorcycle production. These motorcycles remain highly desirable thanks to their timeless styling, strong twin-cylinder engines, and rich motorcycling heritage. This example is being offered as a project after sitting for several years. The seller notes that it will require work to return to running condition, but includes extra parts and accessories with the sale. For enthusiasts looking for a restoration opportunity, this Bonneville could be a rewarding project. Number 10. 1983 Yamaha Virago Cafe, $2,200, Henniker, New Hampshire. The 1983 Yamaha Virago helped introduce many riders to the V-twin cruiser concept while maintaining Yamaha's reputation for reliability. Over the years, the Virago has also become a popular platform for custom cafe racer and street tracker builds. This customized example is described as a show-quality cafe racer with a carefully executed build. The seller reports that everything works and that the engine turns over strongly. With its unique appearance and custom styling, this Virago offers something different from a typical vintage motorcycle. Number 11. 1969 Triumph Daytona T100R, $2,650, Sunapee, New Hampshire. The 1969 Triumph Daytona T100R is a lightweight British classic that remains popular among collectors and restoration enthusiasts. Known for its sporty handling and distinctive styling, the Daytona helped establish Triumph's reputation for building exciting middleweight motorcycles. This original barn-find example features matching numbers, a desirable Seriani front end, and a Barani rim. The seller reports that the engine turns over with good compression, making it a promising restoration candidate. For buyers looking for an affordable vintage British project, this Daytona offers plenty of potential.
Number 12. 1978 Honda CB750K. $3,500, Rockaway, New Jersey. The 1978 Honda CB750K continues the legacy of one of the most important motorcycles ever built. Its smooth inline-4 engine, dependable performance, and classic styling have made the CB750 a favorite among riders for decades. This example shows 35,000 miles and is described as running and riding well. The seller notes that the motorcycle looks great and is ready for its next owner. For anyone searching for a proven vintage Japanese classic, this CB750K offers strong value at its asking price.
Number 13. 1967 BSA Lightning 650. $4,000. Stamford, Connecticut. The 1967 BSA Lightning 650 is a classic British twin, known for its lively performance and timeless styling. Models like this remain highly desirable among enthusiasts who appreciate the character and simplicity of vintage British motorcycles. This original example is described as a solid survivor with attractive patina and authentic vintage character. The seller reports that it starts, runs, shifts, and rides properly. Whether enjoyed as is or restored further, this BSA presents an appealing opportunity for classic motorcycle fans. Number 14. 1979 Harley-Davidsons Sportster 1000. $2,995. Salem, New Hampshire. The 1979 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 represents the rugged personality and unmistakable style that made the Ironhead Sportster so popular. These motorcycles continue to attract riders looking for a straightforward and authentic Harley-Davidson experience. This XLS model reportedly has just 8,800 original miles and benefits from several recent updates. The seller notes new tires, battery, coil, fork seals, cables, and a Mikuni carburetor. With its classic appearance and low mileage, this Sportster could make an enjoyable vintage rider. Number 15. 1970 Honda CB350. $800. Brooklyn, Connecticut. The 1970 Honda CB350 remains one of Honda's most beloved small displacement motorcycles. Lightweight, simple, and easy to maintain, the CB350 introduced countless riders to motorcycling and still enjoys a strong following today. This affordable example runs and rides, but is reported to be difficult to start. The seller has already cleaned the carburetors, flushed the fuel tank, and checked the ignition points, while noting that the brakes and other functions work properly. At just $800, it could be an interesting project for a hands-on enthusiast. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explore. Which motorcycle was your favorite today? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more classic motorcycle finds from across the United States. We'll see you in the next one.